तिम्रो मायाले बाँधेर राख।
Namaste everyone, this is mamTa. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do this red smoky eye because so many of you requested on my last video and I try to make it as simple as possible. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting with my clean and moisturized face, I'm going to take my NYX Total Drop foundation and I'm going to blend with my brows. Blending is really important so that it doesn't look cakey and patchy. So now to highlight plus conceal my face, I'm going to use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, especially under my eye area, forehead, nose, little bit on my chin, and again blending with my brush. So now I'm going to use my RCMA setting powder to set my face, especially my T-zone area and under my eye area. So now I'm going to use my Benefit Car Brow Gel to fill in my brows, and then again I'm going to use my Benefit Brow Contour Pro to shape my brows. So now I'm going to use the definer shade from the same Brow Contour Pro to make it more clean and sharp, and don't forget to blend it really well. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to take this NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette and taking that brown shade as my transition color. So now I'm going to take this dark brown color from the Tart Ladies Night Eyeshadow Palette and I'm going to place it on my outer corner of my eyes, and again I'm going to put a little bit of same color just above my transition color just to create some depth. So now I'm going to cut my crease. For that I'm going to use my concealer and small flat eyeshadow brush. So here the only thing you need is practice. You need to practice a lot to be more perfect and precise. So now I'm going to use the same transition color to blend the two colors together so that it looks more smooth and seamless. So once I'm happy with the blending, I'm going to take the same NYX eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take that red color as my lead color. So again I'm going to take that same dark brown color and blend it really well just to give some dimension to my eyes. So for my lower lash line, I am repeating the same step as above, using dark brown color to smoke out my lashes and adding little bit of red color. So to highlight my inner corners and brow bone, I'm going to use the highlighter from Tart Ladies Night Eyeshadow Palette. So now to make this look more glittery, I'm going to use the NYX Sugar Trip Glitter Palette. So the next step is eyeliner. So if you don't like eyeliner, then you can skip it. And here I'm using my Benefit roller liner. So for the lashes, I'm going to use this Arrow Wispy lashes. So back to my face, I'm going to contour my face using the Tart Ladies Night eyeshadow palette. Actually, the eyeshadow palette is really good. It comes in 4 different shades: highlighter, blusher, contour and eyeshadow. And thank you so much Daily Sofolic for sending me this gift to try it. I really like it. And if you online kata order गर्ने भनेर सोच्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने you can go to the Instagram अनि त्यहाँ गएर Daily Sofolic search गर्नु अनि उसलाई contact गर्यो भने सबै कुरा order गरिदिन्छ. She is the best. Thank you so much. And here again I'm using the highlighter from the same eyeshadow palette. Look at that glow. It's so good. So good. I really like this. So before any lipstick, don't forget to moisturize your lip. I'm here using my Buttsville lip balm. So for the lipstick, I'm going to use this Milani lipstick. It's in the shade Sweetie. So now we are done with our makeup. Now you can add any accessories you like. I'm going to add Sano Rato Tika and Jhumka and Bindia. So this is our final look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So I'll see you in the next video and let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.